How to find someone on Facebook by picture. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to find someone on Facebook by picture. So in order to do this procedure, you just have to go ahead and open up your Facebook account, and the procedure is quite complicated. However, what you can do is, in order to find someone on Facebook by picture, you can just go ahead and press the search box icon, and next what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and type in the name that is related to him. In case if you have forgotten it, you can just relate it, or you can just guess it. You can just go ahead and filter it out just by tapping on the searches. And next what you can do is you could just go ahead and select whether it's people, post, or any of these, and then you should be able to find it. However, this method is not a reliable way, and there is no such direct way of doing it. So you can just go ahead and try this alternative. So that's basically how you can find someone on Facebook by picture. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.